Welcome to Plan and Practice News channel. Today we will see CBSE Class 8 Lesson 3. It is a poem. Ek Ashirwad. One blessing. So in this poem, the poet Dushyant Kumarji is saying us we have to dream. We have to dream for achieving our aim, objective, goals, ambition, aspiration, and whatever the vision for future we have to dream and make it a, a true one that will happen in our life. What is a dream? Dream represents unconscious desires and wishes when we are asleep. It goes from the things that happen the whole day to our mind, and from the mind we'll have this dream. Dream is a series of events or pictures which happen in our mind while we are asleep. Dream is also something that you want to achieve or you want that very much to happen. So we can define dream as a series of thoughts, images, emotions, experience during sleep or long held aspiration or goal for future. It could be anything. It could be buying a car, buying a house, studying in IIT, becoming a scientist in future, becoming a teacher, becoming a lawyer, etc. in future. So anything could be a dream for a person, and we have to work hard to achieve it, and we will definitely achieve it and we have to think always positive on this note. This is what the poet is explaining in this poem. Through this poem, the poet is Dushyant Kumarji. He has written this poem. Now we will go to the poem. जा तेरे स्वप्न बड़े हों. He is saying to each student, each person in this world, we have to dream. And the dream must be good, should not harm anybody, and it has to be big. It must be for everybody's goodness, and it has to be big and high. We should have high desire for achieving things in life. We should have high aims and goals. That is what the poet is saying here. भावना की गोद से उतरकर जल्द पृथ्वी पर चलना सीखें. When we are dreaming, we will know and we will decide that we want to achieve this. So the dream is over at that point of time because we know what we want to achieve. Now we have to jump from the dream to the real world. Real world is this earth where we are living. We will be blessed with so many positive and negative things. With these things, we have to achieve our goal. So when you enter into this earth and you want to achieve it by seeing the real world, you may have lot of obstacles. You will have lot of difficulties. For that, what we should do? We should work hard, plan for that, practice for that. We have to design a map how we are going to go ahead in future to achieve the goals and aims in our life. How we are going to achieve our ambition. We have to see the picture. We have to plan for that. So we must be creative. We must be work driven. We should work hard for success and achieving the goal what we aspire. So only the poet has said it is a dream, it is a nightmare, and it is the vision of life. It is so hard that we have to rust ourselves, corrode ourselves like a metal, and reach our destination. As we go 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, that will automatically give us success and help us to reach our goal. By doing this, we will become Atmanirbhar, that is self-dependent and self-reliant. That is what the poet is saying here. भावना की गोद से उतरकर, from the lap of dream you get down, lap of feelings you get down to this earth and see the real world. Face the real world. Be bold enough to face the world. We should be daring enough to face the difficulties and still we want to achieve our goals. चांद तारों सी अप, अप्राप्य चांद तारों सी अप्राप्य सच्चाइयों के लिए रूठना मचलना सीखें. The stars and the moon is so high and it is very far from the earth. To reach them, he is giving an example here. To reach the moon and stars, it is not easy. It is a very big task. Similarly, is our goal, is our ambition, is our aspiration, and we have to always hope the best and make it true. Because when you enter the real world, you will face lot of difficulties and you may even fail in few things. Still you have to encourage yourself, urge yourself, induce yourself and inspire yourself to go ahead and achieve the success, achieve the goal. Rootna, even you become upset for that, no problem. You still encourage yourself. Though you are open to so many negative things as a result, you ignore those negative things and go ahead encouraging yourself. You should always expect that good things will happen and you should always show this feeling to yourself at every step as you go ahead to reach that success or the goal. Machalna, Utna means to become upset and Machalna. Machalna is also similar to become sad or difficulty in facing that. So he is asking us to go in a manner where you encourage yourself even if you have negative results in any of the step while reaching this success or the goal. Next, हंसें मुस्कुराएं गाएं. So apart from this hardship, for yourself to go ahead, you have to keep yourself laughing, enjoying the things besides you and with people who are around you. Even these things encourage you and somehow help, help you to cross this unhappy situation. You have to be enthusiastic, happy, smile, sing, and to be optimistic, not to be negative, expecting good things to happen always, and going for this feeling helps you to achieve the goal. This is what the poet is saying here. हर दिए की रोशनी देखकर ललचाएं उंगली जलाएं. So here roshni means light or brightness or lamp. Diye ki roshni, the lamp, light of lamp. Whenever you get a light of lamp, there is somebody is coming forward to help, or you're getting some help from somewhere, or you're getting an opportunity or getting a chance, then go ahead with that to achieve your goal. Ungli jalaye means your finger, to burn your finger. So during this period, even if you get hurt, even if you have lot of difficulties, either with your health or with other aspects of life, but still you go ahead thinking all good things will happen and definitely you will achieve the goal. It will definitely happen. Ungli Janana will happen for everyone who aspires. It is a common one that is happening. So here the poet is encouraging us to go ahead to achieve the goal, and nothing wrong in burning our finger, he says. It is a part of the game or passing clouds. Passing clouds. अपने पावों पर खड़े हो. We should be self-dependent, self-reliant, and we have to be proud of ourselves and depend on ourselves, and we should learn the things that we have experienced in our life, good or bad, the knowledge and skills that we have learned, and be dependent on those experiences to achieve the goal. We should not feel defeat or sad at any point of time. We should be courageous, bold enough, and daring to go ahead and achieve our goal, whatever we have dreamt in our sleep. जा तेरे स्वप्न बड़े हो. So you dream high and you achieve it, and definitely everybody can achieve. Nothing is impossible in our life. That is what the poet says here. So this is the poem Ek Ashirwad. Hope you all understood. Thank you.